Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today's video is all about our Ipsy Glam Bag X for the month of August.
Be your own best, beautiful.
Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see, subscribe down below if you have not yet, share this video out if you do enjoy the content, it really does help my channel a lot, and turn on your bell notifications so you'll get notified of future videos. What is Ipsy Glam Bag X, you ask? This is a quarterly addition to your standard Ipsy or whatever Ipsy Glam bag you receive, and each quarter you will pay $55 for the box, and we are supposed to receive 8 full-size products with a value of up to $500. I'm very excited. The other two I feel like have been okay. Not the best boxes I've ever gotten, but worth the $55. But this box right here, y'all, is in collaboration with Halsey, and I mother effing love Halsey. I love her vibe. I love her music. I love everything about her. I love the way that she tries to empower other people. I love how accepting she is. Did I mention I love Halsey? So I'm really excited to dive in the box. Before I open the box though, every few videos or so, I try to mention this little product right here. It is called Guard Your ID, and I just do a quick little demo for y'all. As you can see, you see Ipsy's address still plain as day, and mine is crossed out. I love the little Guard Your ID. You literally take it and you glide over whatever you are trying to hide. So it is a really good way, an affordable way to kind of protect yourself, protect your privacy. I cannot tell y'all how many videos I've watched where people have cut their boxes. They've had to blur out their addresses. They've put tape or something over their address. So they're really affordable. You get 4 for like under $20. I know you can also get them from Amazon as well. I got some many years ago through QVC, and I have continued to buy them since then. So I always just like to mention that when I am doing an unboxing, just to show you guys. So, okay, enough talking. We're diving in. Okay, I'm kind of mad that everything's literally just in here. I know there's some padding, but that's an easy way for things to get broken. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just take everything out and pray that nothing's broke. Okay, oh, I'm seeing some good stuff. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we're going to take the box and put that out of our way. And every quarter with your box, you do receive your little Glam Bag X, your Glam Bag X so-and-so little paper. So Glam Bag X Halsey this month. This will give you the breakdown of everything. She gives you like her tips and her tricks, things that she loves. And it also gives us pricing and deets on the actual products. So we're not going to look at this just yet. So first up, I see an Herbivore, fantastic name. I've tried quite a few of their products. It's called Emerald. Hemp seed and adaptogens deep moisture glow oil. Does this sound like something I would love? Or what? So this says, take your skincare ritual higher with Emerald Deep Moisture Glow Oil, hemp-derived cannabis sativa seed oil, and terpene-rich aromatherapeutic cannabis essential oil, combines with potent adaptogenic herbs for a dose of soothing hydration and a glow that is lit. Y'all, I'm very excited. They are a cruelty-free brand as well. So, yeah, I'm over the moon excited. I really like the outer packaging and everything as well. I do want to see what it looks like. And these are, again, all full-size products. It feels incredibly heavy. Dang, that's pretty. Ooh, very apothecary-esque, if you will. It kind of reminds me of the Dossier perfume. Like, it's, like, very clean and crisp like this. I'm going to also smell it really quickly. Oh, it almost kind of smells minty. I don't think it has mint in it, but that's kind of what I'm smelling. It is a very light formula. It does not feel thick or super heavy at all. Oh my gosh, that feels incredible. And I feel like it's massaging right in too. Ooh, ooh, okay. I'm excited. I will update you guys. If you've tried this in the past, let us know. Next up, I'm just going to go in order however I took it out of the box. This is a DNA Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Time Defying Cream with Juvenescence Complex. That also sounds amazing. Halsey, do you know that my ass is old and I needed stuff like this? Thank you, girl. So this is what it looks like. And again, it's a full-size product, and I love everything I've ever tried from Dr. Brandt. So incredibly excited to test this product. Next up is a Volition Yaupon Tea Glow Awakening Moisturizer. That's kind of odd that we got so many, like an oil, a age-defying cream, and a moisturizer. So that is what this one looks like. Again, I like the outer packaging and everything. So this says, Skin's Daily Pick-Me-Up. Caffeine-rich Yaupon Holly is a centuries-old secret turned to a modern-day skin energizer. It naturally revives your skin and reduces the look of puffiness and tiredness as it soothes. Skin will effortlessly glow and experience a cooling effect for an instant vitality boost. Okay, so really excited about that. And they're also cruelty-free, clean, and vegan. You know, I got to see what the component looks like. I'm not going to open it up to the air just yet. That feels incredibly heavy. Nice, beautiful glass container. Okay, well, we're definitely going to be hydrated, which I actually don't mind that. You guys know, at the end of the day, I am more focused on skin and keeping my skin hydrated and well cleansed versus makeup. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love makeup, but y'all, I love getting skincare. I know a lot of people don't. So if I'm already looking at 3 skincare products, I don't know how other people feel about this box yet. Next up is a Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. I am incredibly excited to try this. I do not believe that I've tried her mascara yet. So super excited about that. And that's a makeup product. I see another makeup product. This is the Aether Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette. I can say right now the packaging looks absolutely stunning. I don't believe I've tried anything from Aether. They are another cruelty-free brand. I will show you what that looks like on the back. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, wait, that says Moonlight Crystal Palette. Okay, I thought it said highlight palette, and then I'm seeing all these colors. Not that we can't rock bold highlights. Okay, the packaging on this is beautiful. It feels slightly lightweight to me, but it's this beautiful purple, like ombre gradient. And it's actually like a 3D. I don't know if you guys can tell that it's kind of raised. And in the beautiful gold font. Oh, wow, that's pretty. This reminds me of a Fenty palette that she had out a long time ago. So that is absolutely stunning. I am actually going to keep this time. I don't always keep my palettes. You guys know that. Typically, if something speaks to me, I'll keep it. So I think I am going to test it out, and I would love to try the Aether Beauty. So I'm excited about that. I do not like the layout. It messes with my OCD a whole lot, but I think it's super pretty, and I'm very excited to test this out. Next up, we have a Complex Culture, which I believe is Ipsy's like in-house type of brand. This is a 4-piece brush set. I also like their packaging. I know it's quite, you know, basic and plain, but I don't mind that at all. And let's see what they look like. And we've gotten quite a few of the Complex Culture products. Oh yeah, these are all brushes that I would 100% use. There's like a little teeny tiny kind of detail or crease work. This is going to be for a highlight. And then you have a fluffy brush and then a slightly more dense fluffy brush. So I like that a whole lot. And I love the fact that we got a palette and the eyeshadow brushes to kind of correspond. We are still going, y'all. We are still going. Next up is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I don't know what in 3, yes! It's number 3, warm light brown. I usually use 3 or 3.5. This is one of my holy grails. I've been using this for years and years and years. So I'm very, very excited to have this. Yeah, I love it. I love it already. So I think we're kind of half and half now, like half skin-ish, half makeup-ish, and we still have more to go. Next up is a Marc Anthony Grow Long Super Fast Strength Leave-In Conditioner. I do love the mix so far. Next up, something else that I am a little unsure about by looking at, only because of the length, but these are Glamnetic X Ipsy Reusable Press-On Nails. They're like a mid-length coffin shape. Ignore my nails. I think I will test them out. I typically go short and I use like the little press-on nails and they're short length. But I think I will try these and just wear them for a video. But I'm really excited to test these out. They are quite stunning. Okay, so I'm loving the mix of everything in the box. And then our last thing, I don't know what it is yet. Our last thing is something by About Face, which is Halsey's brand. This is the Light Lock Powder in Smother, I guess is the shade. So that's what it looks like. Oh, I'm excited. So About Self-Reflection, silky smooth powder transforms into a see-through glass finish while emitting a high beam glow. Oh, is it a highlighter? Light Lock Powder in Smother. Okay, I'm going to open it real quick, y'all. I don't know. Forgive me. I have not tried much from her brand. I like the packaging a lot. She is cruelty-free as well. Okay, let's see what this is. It is definitely a highlighter, and it is a kind of pinky lilac-y shade. I don't know that I'm going to hold on to that as much as I would love to try it, because I definitely want to try more from her brand. Her lipsticks are amazing. I don't know that I'm really going to wear this, and you guys know I tried to not be very wasteful. So I'm going to put it in my I don't know yet pile. So quickly, let's just go over everything we got in the box, and then we will talk some quick pricing and deets. So we got our Herbivore Emerald Oil. We got our DNA Do Not Age by Dr. Brandt Time Defying Cream. We got our Volition Yaupon Tea Glow Awakening Moisturizer. They are prepping us for the winter season, y'all. The Marc Anthony Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner. We have our Glaminetic X Ipsy, our nails. We have our Light Lock Powder from About Face, which is Halsey's brand. That's pretty darn cool. We have our Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. We have our Complex Culture 4-piece brush set. Yes, please, and thank you. We have our Aether Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette. And we have a Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do we all get 10 items, y'all? I'm gonna have to look that up. I know it says at least 8 full-size products. I got 10 things. That's pretty damn cool. All right, we're going to dive into the little price breakdown. It does also say other things that you could have gotten. You could have gotten a triple peptide eye cream. You could have gotten an About Face highlight fluid. You could have got the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Anyways, the Aether Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette is $58. So there's literally the price of admission, you guys. That is the price for the entire box. What do you get when you combine vegan ingredients, sustainable packaging, and crystal-infused powders? This epic Halsey exclusive palette. Mix and match the shadows. You can use them wet or dry and create your perfect shimmery eye look. I love that. The Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara is $24 for the full size. Whether you're performing on stage like Halsey or giving a presentation on Zoom, this mascara has got you covered. The innovative brush lifts, curls, defines, and separates for a dramatic lash look that won't smudge or smear for hours. We will put that to the test, honey. The Herbivore Botanicals Emerald Deep Moisture Glow Oil is $48. Again, basically the price of your box. A few drops are like a warm hug for your skin. I love that. It calms, soothes, nourishes, moisturizes, and even protects from environmental aggressors. The Volition Beauty Yaupon Tea Glow Awakening Moisturizer is $39. Meet Yaupon Tea. It's being dubbed the new matcha and also happens to be the hero ingredient in this moisturizer that energizes dull, tired skin in a flash. It's rich in caffeine to help reduce puffiness, increase circulation, soothes redness, and inflammation. Y'all, let me find out that this was meant for me, okay? The About Face Light Lock Powder in Smother, Stars on Fire, or And This Bliss. Mine was Smother. The secret to Halsey's next level glow? You're looking at it. Infused with ultra fine and smooth pigments, it gives skin a luminous glass-like finish. Shear it out with your fingers or pack it on with a brush to customize your level of shine. Okay, let's flip the page over. I will show you this up close too. My gosh, you could have gotten so many different beautiful things in here. All right, we got the Glaminetic X Ipsy Reusable Press-On Nails in Lilac Sky. Are they purple? Y'all know I'm blind as hell. I guess they are. Sorry, guys. I thought they were like a standard white. They are definitely a very, very light wash of lilac. And it says they're $21.99. Not only are these the realest looking press-ons we've ever seen, they're also the coolest. I love that. What else did we get? Okay, we got the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Time Defying Cream. And it's $132. Your best defense against aging, this cream with peptides and skin energizing complex. That sounds incredible. So I just want to show you this. It shows you all the different variations you could have gotten, different products you could have gotten. pricing, details, all that stuff. Okay, so I'm not seeing everything on here. I don't know, you guys, if I added something on here and I genuinely just don't remember, but I am not seeing the pencil or the brushes on here. So I'm going to look that stuff up for you guys. I am terribly sorry. I do really quickly. I was looking at this while I was trying to find those products. It says, Halsey takes the Ipsy quiz. Nickname. I wish I had something cooler, but all my friends just call me Ash. I describe my makeup aesthetic as experimental. I love that. Backstage before a show, you'll find me, ideally alone, diptych candle lit in a meditative state doing my makeup. If about face products were your kids, who's the favorite child? She says A, light lock highlighters, B, matte fluid eye paints, C, the matte fix lip pencils, and D are shadow sticks. One product I always have in my purse is Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I always keep a few on hand. Me too. I love them. You lost your makeup bag before a big show and all you have is eyeliner. What look are you doing? Definitely a graphic liner and a black lip. Eyeliner can actually be so versatile. And I agree with that. So that is everything. I definitely think it is a beautifully curated box. We have an even blend, in my opinion, of makeup to skin. We have the nails. We have something for the hair. So I definitely think it's a beautifully curated box. I'm going to go ahead and say it right now. This is definitely my favorite Glam Bag X. I love it. I love that things are just a little bit more kitschy, a little different. I love that there's so many skincare products, especially as we're heading into like fall and winter months. So I love it. I love the box a whole lot. I'm literally going to give it a 10 out of freaking 10. What do you guys think? Sound off down below. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.